Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about mechanical forming. Which of the following is not a common mechanical forming process? A. Bending, drawing, C. Forging, welding, E. Rolling. The correct answer is D. Welding. What is the primary purpose of mechanical forming processes in manufacturing? A. To change the chemical composition of a material. B. To alter the shape of a material without adding or removing material. C. To join two or more materials together. D. To remove material from a workpiece. A. To increase the hardness of a material. The correct answer is B. To alter the shape of a material. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which mechanical forming process involves compressing a workpiece between two dies? A. Drawing, B. Extrusion, C. Rolling, D. Forging, E. Bending. The correct answer is D. Forging. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.